of the week. This week's tip comes from Microsoft Word, where I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out of your documents. There are times when you need to get a closer look at something on your document, and it might just be a little bit too small. So there are several methods to use to be able to zoom in and out of your documents. I'm going to demonstrate two different methods today, the View menu and the Zoom slider. So there's different variations of these. I have a file up here, so I'm going to first show you how to use the Zoom slider. So down at the bottom right here, this is our Zoom area right here. So you can simply grab this slider, move it back and forth, or you could also click on the minus sign or the plus sign. That's the first option. Second option is to use View. When you go to View, you get a couple of different options here. This is your 100% document view zoom, or you can click on this zoom and choose some different options. So you can choose percentages, you can choose page width, which is going to show the entire page width. I'm going to go back in, make this 75%. It's going to be a little bit smaller, so you'll see more. So you can experiment with these, decide what you want. That brings it back to 100%. Hope you enjoyed this tip. See you next time.